So hi friends, in this video we are going to talk about how to install Google Chrome in Linux Mint. So for doing so, what you need to do is search Firefox here. By default you will be having Firefox. Just open it and then search for Google. After searching it, you have to just scroll down and click on this link. Then after that, click on computer. Then here just click on Linux. Then click on this link. After you get it, after you click it, just click on download Chrome, and for Linux Mint you have to select .dbe file. Okay, so the first option, accept and install. After clicking it, your download will start. I'm not gonna download it because I've done it. What you have to do, just open file manager, search files, and then click on downloads. You'll get something like this. Just double click on it. You'll get a window like this, and then you just have to click on install package, and it will install Google Chrome in your Linux Mint system. So it's that simple. Thank you so much for watching this video. Meet you in another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.